I love that mindset and that framework, because I don't think that people realize words have energy. So what you put out into the world has a certain vibration, a certain energy. So if you are creating a digital marketing system that is built on just collecting, just collecting data, collecting followers, collecting information, you're never giving anything in return. So then that is the energy that you're creating with your social media platform. For me, it's all about giving, sharing interesting conversations. Like this conversation started when we met in the fall or in the summertime, and I was like, people need to hear about what it was like to do digital marketing 20 years ago. But that, and as a creator as well, I'm never stuck for ideas. I'm never lost for, well, what am I going to create next? I have a backlog of material. I have material for days, because I've collapsed this expectation of, well, what can I get with this? It's like, no, what can I give with this? How can I give more? And then just be surprised and delighted when it comes back to me.
Public speaking is, a very big part of marketing, because it's about communicating outward to another individual or individuals about something you feel passionate about, something you believe in, something you've experienced and just want to, hey, this happened to me. Isn't this cool? So yes, it is about that foundational principle is get out there and communicate. And the algorithms are important, don't get me wrong, but if you get too caught up in that, you can get lost without a message, and it becomes about a numbers game, and numbers do not drive emotions. Numbers don't necessarily, statistics don't necessarily, and they can make you feel bad when you say, well, the stock market crashed or something like that, or the stock market is booming at, 200%. Yes, that can make you exciting, but it's that emotion, that idea of what that 200% means that you're responding to. We need that human story. So every statistic, as Brene Brown says, it's like data with a soul. It gives you that emotional connection.
Wait, there's more. I am sharing with you my frameworks and resources to improve your speaking skills. Everything I know. You can download them for free at speakingresource.com. Like this video, there's more of that too. So subscribe and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, speak remarkably.